very flat. I'm not too sure. It's like not too unfit to see. Joba Vedas progressive as a knockout now. We're going to meet better team, better organization, as well as Koloma team structure.
Team in Egypt, actually.
Now the mindset of those players, they can play on the stage. They're playing in Europe. Most of the team are European, also big teams, local players. So now it's more mix of experienced players and quality players while up in country. Questionable in the way midfield, if you can't dominate in the midfield, and then you're gonna have a problem. We don't have players from on the bench. You didn't even call a selection. Questionable man, I'm a player that call them. But Nambing I believe this language development is serious. The stage is exposed. You might think it's a joker. You will get exposed. Remember, we're going to World Cup. This is AFCON. Just African teams. We're still gonna go to World Cup. So midfield we're not gonna go all the way and win the tournament. My expectation is gonna be difficult.